How much money is too much money? See, this is the laptop which my parents got me when I was in first year of college. But with the money which I made as a full-time college student during last 4 years, I got this. So how did I even earn money in college? And how much did I earn? In this video, I'm going to talk about every single way that I tried to earn money online during the last 4 years of college. And in the end of this video, I'm going to rate the worst versus the best ways to earn money online, so that you don't have to make the mistakes which I made and can directly concentrate on the things which can give you some good results. Let's get started. Flashback. It was the year 2018 when I joined college. And for the first time in my life, started getting some pocket money. 5,000 rupees per month. That was enough for me, to be honest. But if you party a lot, have a girlfriend, and if you truly want to explore your campus life, then it was nothing. So I started looking for ways to make money online. I had zero skills, a way lot of time, and the easiest option which I found online was survey forms. If anyone suggests you this way to make money online, kick them on their ass. And then in the next couple of months, I came across something called affiliate marketing. See, unless and until you have connections with some big community, this won't give you a lot of money. For example, I had like 2,000 clicks on my Amazon affiliates account, and I made like something around 200 rupees. So basically, nothing. And as soon as my first semester of college got over, I did a content writing internship. I made 5,000 rupees that month, but I did not learn anything. And it was not scalable in any possible way. I felt I was trading my time for something really cheap. So basically, waste of time again. And then only in my second year I realized, bro, I don't really have any skills to make money. So I spent some time to learn digital marketing, basically running Google ads and Facebook ads for brands. And then during the summers, I did an internship where I was helping someone run their ads. I was paid 10,000 rupees that month for working 1 to 2 hours every single day. So basically this was much better than every other thing that I've done till then. I did this for 2 months, and with 20,000 in my bank account, I entered my second year and started learning about trading and investing. I thought I'd be able to turn this 20,000 into 1 lakh rupees easily if I get into day trading. But within a week, I lost 2,000 rupees. And quickly realized day trading is really risky if you are new to the markets. And you actually need some experience in it. And long-term investments need some good amount of money to give you some visible results. So trading and investing, not for me. Entering my 4th semester, I started watching a lot of YouTube. And in the back of my mind, I wanted to make YouTube videos. But I thought, I don't have enough equipment. So I didn't start a YouTube channel back then. But I started learning video editing, which later became one of the best things that I've ever learned. And during the same period, my brother calls me up one day saying he wants 3,000 rupees to join some MLM scheme. I told him with all my experience, bro, this is just scam, and even if it's not, you should not join it. But I sent him money, he somehow joined it, and guess what? He lost it. He lost all the money. And after my 4th semester, that is after my second year got over, I did an internship at IIT Bangalore in the domain of digital marketing. I didn't get paid much, but man, I've learned a lot of things about YouTube as well. I think I earned around 20,000, and that's all. So overall, 2 years of looking for ways to make money online, and the overall amount that I earned was 50,000 rupees. So that was the time when I realized, Tharun, there's nothing called get rich quick scheme. You need to have some skills to get paid. So I sat down and thought, Tharun, what are the skills that you have for which you can get paid? The first one, I can help brands grow their social media or run Facebook and Google ads for them. The second one, video editing. So I started doing both of these after my 5th semester got over. I was able to earn 96,000 in 45 days when I finally bought myself this iPad. So this was the time when I realized the importance of having good skill set. You can either get into freelancing or you can just do an internship to earn some money in college. And learning new skills and upskilling yourself has become very easy and affordable these days. For example, even though I consider myself one of the best video editors on the planet Earth, I recently took this course on Udemy called Adobe Premiere Pro CC Masterclass by Phil Ebiner to learn the most efficient ways to edit videos. So Udemy is this online learning platform if you did not know. And I spent around 500 to 600 rupees to buy this course. But the amount of things that I've learned is immense. I watched the entire classes in 2x, and there are a lot of features which kept the course really engaging. Like they had this Q&A section, they had this place to write notes, and a lot more. See, I recently took video editing, but some of my friends previously took courses in data analytics, machine learning, which some of them still mention on their CVs that they used for placements. Because the courses are taught by industry experts and they're really good. So if you're someone who's trying to make money online in the year 2023, start upskilling yourself. And this is the best time to do that because the new year sale just started on Udemy and the courses are super affordable right now because there are special offers going on. I've given the link in the description, definitely check it out. Now coming back to this video. My 6th semester just started and this was the time when I wanted to start my YouTube channel. I don't know what I would talk about, but I thought coming up with one video idea every single week should not be a big problem. So I started the YouTube channel and it took me around 3 months to get to 500 subscribers. I basically made zero money in the 6th semester, but then things started changing. I did one more internship in the 3rd year summers. The channel started growing a lot. AdSense, brand deals, sponsorships, paid trips to Delhi, Bangalore, Hyderabad, Kota. We started making videos for brands. I started taking special class for students. I started my own agency. So if you're a creator or a brand and if you're looking for some help in design or video editing, just send a hi to this email and we'll get back to you. So overall, I'm currently at a stage where I can earn good amount of money every single month. And to be very honest, I don't need the campus placements in any possible way. But I still sat in the campus placements this time because Tharun, you deserve this. You have spent countless amount of nights improving in your academics. You have spent countless amount of nights attending these meetings, those meetings just to get some PORs on your CVs. You did work for it. So you should go for it. So that's what the mindset which I had when I sat for the placements. And we cracked the placements on a very weird day. I mean, you might have seen this video already. Just wait for that finally placed wala video. I'm trying to show it. It will be out very soon. So now coming back to this video again, you have seen that I've tried out a lot of things during the last 4 years of college. And almost none of them worked. And this content creation is the first thing which actually worked. But now with all the experience that I've got during the last 4 years of college, let's rate the worst versus the best according to me, according to my experience. Let's go. Survey forms, 0 out of 10. Affiliate marketing, 2 on 10. MLM, these are basically scams. Freelancing, it's good, 6 out of 10. Tutoring, again, depends on online and offline, but yeah, 5 on 10. Internships, you can't go wrong with them, 6 on 10. Trading or investing, you need some experience, 3.5 out of 10. Content creation, this has money in it, but this is not for everyone. Starting an agency, this is actually a good idea. So that is it. Now sit back in your room, open your book, write down every single thing which you can use to make money online and start working on it already. Because the best time to get started was yesterday, but you only got today. And your worst enemy is tomorrow. I randomly said something. I'm sorry. Bye-bye. See ya.
Microphone check, make it a microphone check. Give it a microphone, I make it a microphone dead. Don't step to me, newbie, I could truly be moody. I could have played the fucking Grinch in the movies. I've been a